How to fix QuickBooks Payroll Update Error 12152 for quick solutions. Solution 1. Verify date and time. Step 1. Right-click on the date and time at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Then click on Adjust Date and Time. Step 3. Check the current date and time and see if you need to rectify it. Step 4. If you need to make changes, turn off Set Time automatically, then click on Change Next to set the date and time manually. Step 5. In the Change Date and Time window, make the changes and click on Change. Step 6. Once done, close the window and restart the computer. Step 7. When your device comes online, try to update QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Reinstall QuickBooks. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button, search Control Panel, and open it. Step 2. Now, select the Programs and Features. Step 3. From the list of programs, locate your version of the QuickBooks. Step 4. Select the QuickBooks version you want to uninstall and click on Uninstall/Change. Step 5. Now, you need to reinstall QuickBooks. To do this, visit the official website. Step 6. Select your product and download. Step 7. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Solution 3. Change Internet settings. Step 1. Press the Windows plus or buttons together at the same time to open Run dialog box. Step 2. Type Control Panel in the open field and press OK. Step 3. In the following window, click on Internet Options. Step 4. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Step 5. Then click on Restore Advanced Settings. Step 6. Once done, press OK. Step 7. Now, restart the computer and try to download Payroll Update. Solution 4. Fix Registry Settings. Step 1. Click on the search icon and type in Regedit. Step 2. From the result, right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Step 3. Click on Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 4. Now, click on File, then Export. Step 5. Create a file name, set the export range to all, and select a location to save the backup. Step 6. Once done, click on Save and close the window. Step 7. Now, press the Windows plus or keys together to open the Run dialog box. Step 8. Enter Regedit in the open field and press OK. Step 9. Click on Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 10. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to Folders key. Step 11. Now, look for the entry related to the drive for which you are facing the error. Step 12. Double-click on the entry in the Value Data field, enter C and press OK. Step 13. Once done, restart the system and try to download Payroll Update. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548150.